To send a message, navigate to Messages here on the left, click New Message, and here we have the option to send this to our entire fleet, individual assets, or all or some of our drivers. In this case, we'll send a message to just one person. Click Compose Message, and then type it in here. If you want to add text with a link, click this link button, enter the text you'd like to display in the top box, enter the link in this lower box, and then click Add Link. You can also include canned responses so your drivers don't have to type anything back. The pre-built responses are OK and Yes No, but you can put in any canned responses by clicking Edit Presets, putting any options you'd like to include on separate lines, and clicking Add. Once your message is ready, click Send, and you're all set. Any previous messages that have been sent will show up under these Assets and Users tabs, and this is also where you'll see any responses to your messages.